How to fix the volume keeps turning down issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all, try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, the volume down issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on system and updates. Now in system and updates, tap on this software update option on the top, and from here check if your mobile's software is up to date or not. So if you have not updated the mobile software to the latest version, then update the mobile software, and after updating the software, the volume down issue will be fixed. But after updating the mobile software, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and click on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now click on reset phone, and then again click on this reset phone option here to confirm. So when you will click on this reset phone option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default, and everything will be deleted from your phone, including apps that you have installed, music, photos and videos. Everything will be deleted. So if you are sure, then tap on reset phone, and after doing this, the volume turning down issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the volume keeps turning down issue on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.